Welcome to my channel. Today, let's explore the inspiring and legendary story of Prithviraj Chauhan, one of the most courageous and valiant rulers in Indian history. Born in 1166 CE, Prithviraj Chauhan was the last great king of the Chauhan dynasty, known for his military brilliance and undying spirit. His story is a mixture of triumph and tragedy, showcasing what it truly means to be a warrior, to stand firm even in the face of adversity. Prithviraj Chauhan's kingdom, stretching across present-day Rajasthan, Delhi, and Haryana, was once a mighty realm. As a young ruler, he quickly rose to prominence due to his strategic mind and leadership on the battlefield. His early victories, including the First Battle of Tarin in 1191 against Muhammad Ghori, earned him immense respect. He was not only known for his bravery, but also for his wisdom as a leader. His victory in the first battle was a testament to his incredible fighting spirit and his commitment to protecting his land and people. However, his greatest challenge came in the Second Battle of Tarin in 1192. This battle marked a turning point in his life. Despite having won previously, Prithviraj was defeated by Ghori's much larger forces, and his kingdom eventually fell. This defeat, however, didn't define Prithviraj's legacy. It is in the way he fought till the very end and stood up for his people that we find the true measure of his greatness. Legend has it, through the Prithviraj Raso, that even after being captured and blinded, Prithviraj Chauhan's spirit remained unbroken. In a daring and legendary act, he killed Muhammad Ghori using his extraordinary archery skills, guided by the sound of Ghori's voice. While history might mix with myth here, the story of his courage lives on as an inspiration to never give up, no matter the odds. Prithviraj Chauhan's life teaches us an important lesson, that success and failure are parts of life, but it's the strength of our character that defines us. Even in the face of defeat, Prithviraj Chauhan never gave up. His determination, courage, and resilience remind us that challenges are meant to be faced head-on. Whether we win or lose, it's the effort, the fight, and the heart we put into every battle that truly matters. In today's world, we often face struggles and obstacles that seem insurmountable. But Prithviraj Chauhan's legacy teaches us that true strength lies in standing tall despite the odds. When life knocks us down, we have the power to rise again, just like Prithviraj did, showing the world our resilience and our unyielding spirit. Prithviraj's story isn't just about battles, it's about the mindset of a warrior who refused to be defined by his losses, but rather embraced them as stepping stones toward a greater purpose. So, remember, whether you're chasing a goal or fighting a personal battle, never forget the power of perseverance, courage, and resilience. The real victory lies in never giving up. Thanks for watching. Let Prithviraj Chauhan's story inspire you to rise above any challenge you face. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content and inspiring stories. Keep fighting, keep pushing, and keep believing in yourself.